Hello everyone, good day to you all. Welcome to our channel, Emma's Confessional. I'm still your host, Mary Ann Naj. Today, what we are going to do in this channel today is how to make mayonnaise at home. We'll show you how to do them. So if you have not subscribed to our channel, please feel free to subscribe to this channel. And I believe there are a lot to learn from this channel when you subscribe. So, and feel free as well to follow us on our social media, on our Facebook. We're on Instagram as well. You can follow us up there. We have a lot of things to teach you. So now let's get into the kitchen. Here is what we are going to use. I have a little glass that we used to do my mayonnaise. Then we are going to put one whole egg. We are going to put 1 teaspoon of salt. Then 1 teaspoon of sugar. This is 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. 1 and half. Finally, our 1 cup of oil. Cannon oil. Here is our wicks. So we are going to use it to put it below down. And do it little by little. Coming up. You see our mayonnaise. You can watch the end. As you can see, our mayonnaise is ready. So feel free to visit our channel. Every Thursday we upload a new video. I hope you all had fun with what we did, how to do mayonnaise. So this time I believe you all learned something. You can make your own, depends on how many you people are, because the ingredients we use, just little ingredients, just to tell you how to do it. But if you are, maybe you have children at home, you can add up in the ingredients. So I hope you learned something from our episode today. So feel free to subscribe to our channel as well. Feel free to share our videos. Sharing is caring. Also like our videos. If there is any other thing maybe you want us to discuss on this channel, don't forget to comment. Don't forget to comment to us on the comment box. We'll see them. And also, if there is any other thing we didn't add up, you want to tell us more on this particular video that we did today, feel free as well to let us know. So thank you all for your time. Thank you for watching. Until I see you on my next video. Bye bye.